do something with email, learn about it.
Something about email.
Three reasons you should do something with email. Or working title, 3 reasons you should do something with email. Everybody here uses email. I can bet on that. Probably one of the primary forms of communication that we have. There are 3 reasons why you need to be trained and your staff needs to be trained on email. It's overlooked quite a bit, but these are the 3 major reasons. The first reason is your company's efficiency, IT support. Small teams of 12 often have outsourced IT departments, which they pay by the hour for. Now, the first part of supporting you in email is actually investigating how you might be using email versus how you might be using email. Because we all use it in a personal way. Quite often it's because we fear missing follow-up and we create these workarounds, and there are different ways that we tweak it so that it's ours. So it's first a mess for the IT department. So first reason we want to train on email is for our IT department and our efficiency. The second reason is actually for ourselves, our personal efficiency. How many people here in their job or in their career were hired to email all day long? Anybody? All right, so we quite often run into clients with dozens of employees, many of which who suffer from email all day. They think that their job is email, and it's really not. And they really want more productivity. They want to get to the work that matters. Everybody wants to do their service, or everybody wants to do the product, or they sell the product they want to sell. They don't want to really be emailing all day. So personal productivity is the second reason you would train. The third reason we would train email is actually for the community at large. Our friends, our family, our peers, our coworkers, our employees, or our customers. Email is communication. One of the biggest myths out there is that email is work. Email is communication, and because email is communication, we want to be better communicators. We want to be viewed by people as concise and clear in what we're asking for. Email is often how we deliver task requests of other people or information on tasks that were requested of us. So in order to actually improve the ability for someone else to take action, we want to be able to be clear and concise in how we handle that. So there are 3 parts. It's our company, it's ourselves, and it's our community. We want to talk a little bit more about ourselves, about the company first. In a company of, say, 12, like I used in the first example, you'll have 12 different usages of email. When we actually start using email the same way, we can actually start supporting each other. And that IT department can be more efficient, and that IT department can actually start integrating things into email. Instead of solving problems, they're actually being proactive and adding more features, which is a very big part of how you make email more efficient for a company. But no one really cares about their company. It's all about me. So personal productivity is usually the part where most people start paying attention. The average user in the United States gets over 120 emails a day, 89 of which are actually real. Of those 89 real emails, 13 of them are called gray mail, things you didn't sign up for, notifications you don't really want, but you never unsubscribe from. So we do a high volume of 60 emails a day that are coming in. We want to get in and out of our inbox faster. So training email with someone like myself or my team allows you to learn how to set it up, the interface that is, so that everything is a heads-up display. You know where your follow-up tasks are, and you're starting to convert emails into tasks, getting them on your calendar, getting them in your schedule, and getting them knocked out. So an average user can go from using email 3 hours a day to using email for 45 minutes a day. That productivity over the course of a week is a whole day back. A lot of my entrepreneurs get their Saturday back, or they can pay attention to their kids' soccer game after all. Now, the third part is personally why I think everybody should be training email, and probably the most important one. We want to communicate better. We want to have more action being taken on our requests. We want to be the type of person that people remember. And we want to make sure that the rest of our team is efficient. If we're going to communicate via email and we're communicating tasks to each other, it's much easier for the receiver of that message to take action on a task that's clear and something that they can prioritize. So often, the first thing that we train, and the main thing that if you want to improve your email right now, the first thing I would train you on are subject lines. Subject lines are the key to improving conversation mode, something that plagues a lot of people. It improves the search function of most actual email clients. And subject lines are a way that we can deliver typically context and action. And if you think about subject lines in that way, they'll actually make your own intention of what you're writing about even more clear. You'll be more clear, you'll be more concise, you'll be more accurate about what that email is about. The other person will be able to pick that message up, prioritize it faster, and move on to actually taking action on that and giving you what you requested in the first place. So again, the 3 reasons: your company's efficiency, your personal efficiency, and your community's efficiency. And I hope I've convinced you to train email. If you'd like to learn more about it, you can always ask me on it.